You are going to love the 2022 Canyon. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, trip odometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.